Looking for an efficient packaging solution for your cat food plastic jars? Linear double-head fully automatic capping machine is specially designed to solve your needs. Intelligent cap sorting and lifting machine automatically organizes massive bottle caps. Tightening strength is accurately adjustable to ensure safe sealing, sturdy and durable, easy to operate. It meets your continuous production needs. This is your trustworthy screw cap solution for cat food packaging. To obtain exclusive plans and quotations, please feel free to contact us at any time.